Welcome to the Deep Dive, your place for, well, cutting through all the noise and really getting informed fast. The world of AI is just, it's exploding, right? And honestly, keeping up feels like trying to drink from a fire hose sometimes. So for our deep dive today, we're going to zoom in on one tool that seems particularly interesting. Google's AI assistant, NotebookLM. You've given us some great sources covering what it does, its capabilities, and where it fits in the whole AI picture. We're ready to unpack what makes it tick.
That's right. And it's important to say up front, this isn't aiming to be just another chatbot. It's really designed, I think, to try and fundamentally change how people and even teams manage their knowledge and do research. Its whole approach is, well, it's pretty unique compared to a lot of the AI tools we see popping up everywhere. It's built around trust and utility with your information.
Okay, let's just jump right in then. At its core, what is NotebookLM? Why should we be paying attention to this specific tool?
So fundamentally, NotebookLM is an AI-powered assistant from Google Labs. It's built specifically for managing knowledge. Think academic work, professional projects, even just organizing your personal learning. But here's the key thing, the absolute game changer. It only bases its answers and insights on the documents you upload, not the wider internet.
Okay, so it's not just scraping the web like, say, a standard search engine or chatbot.
Exactly. It works exclusively from your source material. This completely changes the dynamic. It gets rid of those AI hallucinations, those moments where chatbots just make things up, because every single insight is grounded in your stuff. You can actually click and see exactly where the AI got the information from within your own documents. It makes it incredibly trustworthy.
That grounding in your sources, that sounds like a massive shift, especially if you're doing serious research or handling sensitive info. So building on that, how does it really stack up against, the typical AI chatbots most people have probably played around with? What are the big differences?
Yeah, the differences are pretty significant, and they really highlight its purpose. First off, those source-based responses we just mentioned, you get answers, sure, but they come with clickable citations pointing directly to the specific paragraph or even image in your uploaded files.
Okay. So if I'm writing a paper, I don't just get a fact, I get the fact and the proof right there from my own reading.
Precisely. That's a huge leap from general chatbots, where often you have no idea where the answer came from or if it's even accurate. You end up having to double-check everything anyway.
Which kind of defeats the purpose sometimes. Okay, what else?
Then there's the multi-format input. It's not just text. You could throw PDFs at it, images, Google Docs, web links, even audio transcripts.
Audio transcripts too. So I could upload an interview recording transcript and ask it questions about it.
You absolutely could. Ask it to summarize themes, pull quotes, find specific mentions. Many standard chatbots are still pretty limited, mostly just text in, text out.
That seems incredibly useful. Saves a lot of manual copying and pasting or trying to extract text from images yourself.
Definitely. And then there's the team collaboration aspect. NotebookLM lets you create shared notebooks, public or private, and work on them together. That kind of co-authoring capability is something you just don't find in most standalone AI chatbots. It becomes a shared knowledge space.
Okay, so it's moving beyond just a personal assistant into something a team could use for a project.
Right. And finally, for access, it has native mobile apps for both Android and iOS, and they claim full feature parity. So it's not like a limited mobile version. You get the full power on your phone or tablet, which is pretty crucial for working on the go.
Full power on mobile. That's impressive. So it's less like a simple chatbot and more like a knowledge management system powered by AI. Let's really get into the specifics then. What are the core features that make it so good for what you called serious knowledge work? Where do we start?
Well, we keep coming back to it, but the bedrock is truly the source-verified responses. Truly knowing that every answer is tied directly to your documents with those clickable citations. It just builds this incredible layer of trust. You spend less mental energy second-guessing the AI and more time actually using the insights it pulls from your material. That's transformative for critical work.
Yeah, I can see that. It makes the AI feel like a transparent tool, not some kind of mysterious black box. What about just handling sheer volume? Because that's a huge bottleneck for a lot of it.